Okay, hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I will explain the Bermuda Triangle. And if you don't know what the Bermuda Triangle is, it's just a spot on the Atlantic Ocean from Miami, San Juan, and Bermuda that create a triangle. That's why it's called the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle was a spot. There was a spot where many planes and boats had been missing, and some haven't even been found. Flight 19, December 5, 1945. It was a flight it was a test. It was not a test. It was a routine practice in the Bahamas where these planes crashed. They crashed in the ocean, and there has been no wreckage found. And the type of plane is a Grumman TBF Avenger or Grumman TBM Avenger torpedo bombers. The concept of the Bermuda Triangle as unusual dangerous area is largely considered a myth, and while strong ocean currents and unpredictable weather exist as in any other large ocean body. But remember, it was just that because I've been in the Bermuda Triangle and it's just a normal spot. It's just strong waves and all of that. And some very bad storms, but hopefully when I went there was no storm. Flight 11 has not been found. The USS Cyclops was a boat in March 1918. People think it was sinking by a U-boat or something like that. If you don't know what a U-boat is, it's a type of German submarine. The wreckage has not been found. We don't know where it is or how it looks like right now. And I have proof. I've been in the Bermuda Triangle. This is the Bermuda Triangle. So this is the USS Cototaxi. It was found about 90 years ago after it went missing in Florida 2020 and sank in 19 something. Most of these crashes, no one has survived. It remains a mystery if they survived or not. But it's mostly think that they all didn't survive. It was going to Havana, Cuba. The ship disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle after a distress call reporting a listing and taking on water during a tropical storm, which is a very dangerous thing to do, to take on water during a tropical storm. The U.S. Toko taxi happened in December 1, 1925. This is a part of the wreckage of the USS Cototaxi. Most of these events happened close to World War I and World War II. So it probably has to do with that. And then we have the last one. This is the Star Tiger flight. The flight was from Santa Maria in the Azores to Bermuda on January 30, 1948. It's a British plane. The flight never was found. The crew probably forgot they were flying at the planned low altitude of 2,000 feet, contrary to the already reports of 2,000 feet, and flew the aircraft into the sea in a controlled flight into terrain. So many of these crashes were not found. There were like more than 20. So yeah, bye guys, subscribe, like, and bye.